Hello guys, welcome to Tech Flavor. In today's video, I will show you guys how to optimize your SEO on your global news website. In our previous video, we talked about creating a post. Although the post we created is this, it's not very large, it's not very good. So we want to update it. We want to update it. It's part of SEO, part of performing on page SEO. Now let's say if you want your post to rank well, these are the secrets I'll give because I may not have time to come and be writing everything here. Come and be writing everything here. What I will do is I'll give you the highlight. First, make your title should be enticing. Your title should be enticing. One, this is let me bullet point it. Let me bullet point it so that you understand what I'm saying. What is enticing? Numbering. Sorry. This is it. Numbering. One. No. One. Then two. You must add post description and summary at the beginning. At the beginning. Of your post. Okay. Sorry. I'm doing at the post. Then thirdly, you must have a goal to why you are writing that you many mistakes people make. It's not only on news websites, it's around. It's around. They just come up and start writing something which they don't have a specific goal or what they want to achieve. They don't have it. And if you have a specific goal on what you want to achieve in your anything you are doing, then you will narrow what you want to achieve to that perspective. You narrow it down. What do I mean? Let's say I want to tell people about global markets. Let's say the global markets today in New York, USA. Let me put let me put let me say let me say global trading limited. I want to report based on this particular global trading report limited on their market listing in today's as of today. Now, what I will do is I will narrow everything down to this global market. Understand? Narrow your post down for easy understanding. you narrow your post down to easy understanding. Once you do this, then you are really doing something that is you are really maintaining your audience. Then 6, your post must be up to 600 words. But okay, you may be asking, why should my post be up to 600 words? It must be up to 600 words. The reason being that for Google or any search engine to assume that you are given a valuable information. I cannot come and tell you in few words, go. Okay, let me say I want to tell you how to build your website. I'll just make a minute video and tell you. You go to Blogger, you click here, you click on create website, enter your website name, create a final, and you expect my audience to understand that. No, they won't. They won't. I haven't. It's better I don't give anything instead of me doing that kind of thing. So that's what you should understand in this particular listing. Thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so your friends can also enjoy.